we must have heard in our home that this month I got this many unit of electric consumption. Somebody says 50 units, somebody says 300 units. What do you mean by units? So this video will be seeing how the electrical energy is being measured. First we see the electrical energy. Electrical energy is equal to power into time, which is measured in joules. So its unit is in joules, this is power is in watt, and this is in second. It means joules is equal to watt into second, or watt is equal to joules per second. So electrical energy is nothing but power multiplied by time. So power into time, for power we use I square R or VI or V square by R, where V stands for potential energy, potential difference. So what do you mean by commercial unit of electrical energy? 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour, as some books they be 1 kilowatt hour is called as 1 unit. 1 unit. What is the value of 1 unit? The commercial unit of electrical energy is 1 kilowatt hour. The kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an appliance of 1 kilowatt in 1 hour. Suppose there is an appliance here. This is the electrical appliance. In 1 hour, so we are going in 1 hour. Suppose 1 hour, it is a kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an electrical appliance of 1 kilowatt in 1 hour. 1 kilowatt. This is kilowatt hour. This is we called kilowatt hour unit, and the 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. So 1 unit of energy. Now let us define what is 1 unit of energy. 1 unit of energy consumed by us, that is by domestic users. 1 unit of energy consumed is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So this is equal to 1 kilowatt becomes, kilo means 1000, we made it as a watt, 1000 watt, kilowatt into hour, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So this we can write 1000 60 63 36 into 10 1 2 3 4 5 10 to the power 5. This is watt second, this is watt second, or we can call it as 3.6 into 10 to the power 5 watt second. So it means 1 unit or 1 kilowatt hour, that is 1 kilowatt hour or 1 unit. 3.6 watt hour. So this is an energy. Since it is an energy, what is energy? Energy consumed is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to energy. Its unit is not watts, or we can write 3.6 into 10 to the power 5 joules. Because see, watts into second is equal to joules. It may be expressed in joule also, as well as generally it is in joule. The energy consumed, that is 1 unit of energy, means electrical energy means 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. So 1 unit is equal to, so conversion we are well aware of it. How much energy is consumed? See, electrical energy consumed. Let us talk about electrical energy consumed. Electrical energy consumed is equal to how much number of units consumed by the user and cost per unit. That is number of units number of units consumed by customer into cost of 1 unit of energy. So here two things to be noted. 1 kilowatt, this is 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt hour is termed as 1 unit, and this is the unit of energy consumed is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6. This is energy is in joules, or it may be expressed in watt second. If it is given watt second, it means it is energy only. So electrical energy consumed is equal to number of unit consumed into cost of 1 unit. Find the cost of electricity for running an electric motor of 1 HP power for 5 hours a day at the rate of ₹1.50 per unit of electricity for the month. It means a motor having power of motor is equal to 1 HP. 1 HP means, it is well understood conversion. We have to convert it into watt. 746 watt. 746 watt, and it runs running time per day is equal to, it runs for 5 hours. For November, number of days is equal to 30. It means number of hours it runs in a month. Is equal to number of hours in a day multiplied by number of days. So we have to calculate how many units we are calculating. So since we know electric energy, that is energy consumed, electrical energy consumed is equal to electric power dissipated into time. So power, we know the power is equal to 746 watt. Time, how much time? The total time is how much time it is running. Per day it runs for 5 hours, and it runs for 30 days. It means 30 into 5, 150. So 30 into 5. So per day it runs 5 hours, this time factor, into 30 days. This is 30 days in hour. So this becomes 746 into 5 into 30 watt hour. Since energy consumed, it should be 1 unit. What is 1 unit? 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So we have to write, so energy consumed by the motor is equal to 746 into 5 into 30 divided by 1000. If it is divided by 1000, this watt will become kilowatt, because 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. It is obviously 1 watt is equal to 1 by 1000 kilowatt. This will become kilowatt into hour. So it means energy consumed is equal to this much. See, then cost of electricity is equal to, which is also we can call it as a 1 unit. 1 unit of electricity consumed is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. I mean this many unit this many unit it is consuming. Cost of electricity is equal to cost per unit multiplied cost per unit per unit into number of unit consumed. Number of unit consumed. What is the cost per unit? Is equal to 1 rupee 50 paisa. This is equal to rupees 1 rupee 50 paisa. And how much energy is used in 30 days? If it run for 30 days and each day 5 hours, it means this is the time and this is the power. Kilowatt conversion is equal to into. It means into 746 into 5 into 30 divided by 1000. What its value you can calculate. The calculated value comes out to be rupees 167.85. And calculating this one, we can we can manipulate and calculation making this. It means if a motor is running for 5 hours a day and 30 days with a per unit bill is 1.5 rupees, then the electric bill comes out to be 167.85 rupees.